Welcome to my channel, guys. Why Robinhood, Blockchain.com, can't just go out and list Shiba Inu tomorrow. Blockchain.com co-founder and CEO Peter Smith noted in a recent interview that the consumer-facing crypto business has grown rapidly this year. Here, it's worth noting that the UK-based company had shared figures of $1.5 billion year-to-date, YTD, in revenue just last month. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I'm going to show my own prediction on the chart. However, despite strong growth and the company's focus on the consumer side of the business, Blockchain.com CEO is unable to immediately list new tokens like Shiba Inu. He explained, "We can't just go out and add Shiba tomorrow, or put 100x leverage on." The exec went on to add that Blockchain.com holds licenses in jurisdictions globally, and functions as an onshore regulated company. According to him, "I think almost all of the legitimate volume in the crypto space will be onshore and we're here to build a business." Comparing the situation with other regulated platforms like Coinbase, Smith also explained that it takes longer for them to list new assets or a new feature than some other companies. Listing Spotlight. As far as the listing of SHIB tokens is concerned, Coinbase took a different approach and went ahead with the listing in September. Meanwhile, crypto exchange Kraken has made it clear that it is still vetting that possibility. Here, it's worth noting that the SHIB army doesn't look too happy about possible listings being delayed any further. Especially on platforms such as Robinhood. Robinhood was in the news earlier today after COO Christine Brown revealed that the company's crypto wallet waitlist had topped 1.6 million users. But she did not specify if the SHIB listing is on the cards anytime soon. On the contrary, she did argue, "The idea of meme investing, I think, needs a little bit of an attitude adjustment." Explaining that Robinhood had listed Doge in 2018, Brown agreed that a community is incredibly important to cryptocurrencies and the projects and protocols. SHIB has seen a lot of community-backed traction in recent months. At press time, the altcoin had a market cap of over $29.4 billion and was the 11th largest crypto on CoinGecko. But what will decide value in the long term? According to Smith, customers will not trust businesses in the long run if they list something for immediate skyrockets within a year of false factor. He said, "Our business is predicated around the idea that we want to be your trusted partner in the cryptocurrency space for the next 30, 40, 50 years. Simply put, it essentially means that Blockchain.com is trading off short-term revenue for long-term value." Meanwhile, the exec also suggested that projects are really growing from an actual usage perspective. This means that the platform might ignore meme listings for the time being. Brown concluded the conversation by claiming that a majority of Americans have a long-term outlook on crypto. She said, "We want to make sure that we're working and assessing everything from a regulatory perspective." SHIB's rising popularity following the steady growth of Shiba Inu holders. Let's analyze the SHIB price chart and look out for possible trend continuation around significant chart patterns, support, and resistance levels. Following an earlier surge in the price of the SHIB cryptocurrency, the bears quickly seized control by dipping below oversold levels twice on 30 October 2003 November 8 o'clock, only to get stopped in their track by a regular bullish divergence on 04 November 12 o'clock. All of the above doesn't necessarily mean that the token cannot and will not keep growing and even remove another zero, which would mean doubling of its current price. It definitely could, and there are enough believers to push this thing higher during this accelerating bull run without a shadow of a doubt. Unless a sudden sell-off from one of the whales happens, and that could be brutal since allegedly 10 of the biggest holders are controlling over 70% of the circulating supply. Some claim it's actually 8 whales controlling the 72%, but the point still stands as far as I'm concerned, it's way too concentrated in the top wallets. Generally, the coin's main strength seems to be the all-important network effect, since SHIB is able to boast over 931k wallets, and that number has been steadily growing too. Not only that, but also in terms of online communities such as Facebook groups, for instance, these are absolutely the most numerous and active communities that I have ever come across in crypto. Members are also very well organized, and we could see a prime example when over 500,000 of Shiba Inu enthusiasts signed a petition at change.org requesting of Robinhood to finally list their favored asset on its trading platform. Further, hundreds of thousands of the meme coins fans additionally signed online petitions asking Tesla and Amazon to accept the token as a method of payment for goods and services. These SHIB people are soldiers, and they are willing to fight for their beloved asset for sure. Recent bearish divergence patterns on the intraday chart above suggest a descending triangle which could lead to a price dip. A breakdown of the 5,280 support hints short-term selling of the SHIB. Conversely, we should be mindful of a bear trap chart formation, considering that the daily chart currently maintains a bullish outlook. When asked whether the company is looking to list SHIB, Brown gave more of a diplomatic answer, claiming their focus is on listing safe and secure tokens with a long-term focus, and they do a very rigorous analysis before listing any token. Shiba Inu, the meme currency, has been in the limelight for over the past month, thanks to its mammoth 1,000% surge in October that also helped it to flip Dogecoin. The meme currency has also seen great adoption levels where the number of wallets is on the verge of breaching 1 million. AMC Theaters, the largest cinema chain in the US, is all set to integrate Shiba Inu as a payment option, while mainstream crypto exchanges continue to list new pairs amid huge demand. The history behind the wallet that currently holds 410 trillion SHIB tokens is simple. It is a burn wallet address created to remove some part of the supply from circulation for one reason or another. The burn wallet cannot be accessed by just anyone. Hence, funds sent there are not eligible for a refund or any use at all. The largest transaction involving the wallet was made by Vitalik Buterin, who some time ago received a large volume of SHIB tokens. Some part of the tokens were donated to a charitable foundation in India, and the other part was burned by the Ethereum developer in order to keep the network stable and more decentralized. Will Shiba Inu reach 1 cent? I'm going to show my own prediction on the chart. The hype surrounding Shiba Inu is still there amid ongoing discussions on whether it faded away or not due to recent on-chain metrics. Please don't sell the Shibas you have, and let's enjoy the wealth together. SHIB Burner Playlist will hold a Shiba Inu burn party next week as community efforts to destroy SHIB continue to expand. Bigger Entertainment's burn party will kick off on November 15th. It promises contests with HIB prizes, a follow party, and a live coin burn, funded by ticket sales. Can Shiba Inu bounce back from current downturn? Shiba Inu's price has retraced by nearly 50% from its all-time high of 0.89 and currently trading under 0.54. Even when the rest of the crypto market surged, SHIB consolidated in the sub-0.5 range. Market pundits believe the price would rebound in the coming weeks but might need a catalyst to bring back the bulls. Many were hopeful that the Robinhood listing would help SHIB reach new highs, but the recent comments from the company's COO indicate the listing might not come anytime soon. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.